to get to the cold, hard cash? Well, right here at your pork chop International Speedway. These little pigs don't race around track for the money. They hammer this track at blazing speeds for Oreo cookies. That's right. And when you run over here at the finish line on that little silver tray, there's a delicious, delectable Oreo waiting to be devoured by the fastest swine with the winning time. But as tradition goes here, I'm going to need everyone's help. Now, to call the pigs out of the trailer and to their starting gate, when I give you your cue, I need for you to yell, Swifty. Ready? I'm gonna hear ya. Swifty. Until we go with our first 4 little baby racing pigs. Now, before we start naming these first 4 little baby racers, I'd like to pick some cheerleaders out of our audience to help root these little guys on. So I'm gonna divide everybody up into 4 sections. Now we're gonna have section 1 over here, section 2, section 3, and 4. Each section corresponds with that numbered pig. And to the winning cheerleader that goes with the winning pig for that race goes one of our Swifty Swine souvenir fashion pig noses. We got a question on 6-pack Oreo cookies too. So that's right. So section number 1, who's going to try a little pig more over here? Can I see some hands up? I'll tell you what, see little dude in the very back row standing up. You come on down, brother. They're going to red and white. My friend, cheer on pig number 1. By section 2 over here is going to cheer on little pig number 2. Yes, sir, in the front row. And the gray shirt. You stand up right there, brother. Help cheer on pig number 2. Section 3 over here is going to cheer number 3. Young lady up there in the red long sleeves. Come on down, honey. Cheer on pig number 3. And section 4 over here is going to cheer on little pig number 4. I'll tell you what, young fella up there. Yes, sir, in the red, white, and blue shirt. You come on down, brother. There we go. With yeah, you, buddy, with the glass on the back of your head. Yeah, man, you come on down, cheer on number 4. All right, so now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, hold on, honey, stay in front of your section. You're right over there. You got to win first before you come around. Okay, all right, introducing to you your starting lineup. Section number 1, racing for you out of lane 1 of the blue from the movie Footloose. Give it up for Kevin Bacon. Section 1, you are sounding good today. Running for you. Section 2 out of lane 2 in the orange. From America's Got Talent, please welcome Simon Sowell. There we go. Section 2 running for you. Section 2 out of lane 3 in the red. He's kind of cool. Please welcome Brad Pig. There we go. Section 3 and running for you. Section 4 out of lane 4 in the black. Please welcome Justin Bieber. All right, there you are. They are fired up and they are ready to run. Are y'all ready for some pig racing now? Woo. All right, race fans, here we go. They're going 2 for the road 1, going 2 to the dust, followed by number 4. It's number 2, 1, 3, and 4, 20 hard. It's number 4, 20, kicks number 2, 50, coming around 2, 3. They're coming around 2, 4, 7. It will be number 2. Number 2, bringing home the bacon that time. Where'd that dude go? Come on over here, buddy. Yes, sir. Come right around this way. Come right around the track because you, my friend, are going to take home some Oreo cookies and the pigs now today. Yes, sir. Come on over here. That's right. Put that pig nose on you, buddy. And you watch out, my friend, because all the ladies out there, they like a good-looking dude in a pig nose. Give him a great big round of applause. Very nice job that time, section 2. Okay, but now, race fans, on to our next set of racers. But I need some more cheerleaders from audience first. So, section 1 over here is going to turn 1. Yes, ma'am, right over here in the red. You stay right there, kiddo. Help cheer on honey pig number 1. By section 2 over here is going to cheer on number 2. Way up there, that little guy in the blue and gray shirt. Come on down, brother. Cheer on number 2. By section 3 over here, little one in the front row, helping him down in her blue jacket. She can help mom cheer on pig number 3. And section 4 over here. All right, little guy right over there. Yes, sir, in the red shirt. You come on down, partner. Help cheer on little pig number 4. Okay, so now to call you next set of racing pigs on down here. What do you say? Swifty. Until we go with race number 2. Coming on down. Loading up with those starting gates. And these little speckled potbelly pigs ready to put on some more high-speed pig racing action for you. Now, this set of racers right here, race fans, they're coming to you right out of Hollywood as well. But it is now the lovely lady's turn. Section number 1, racing for you all. She's coming out of lane 1 of the blue. Give it up for J-Lo, Jennifer Lopez. All right, there you are, section 1 running for you. Section 2 out of lane 2 in the orange. Oh, from the original Baywatch, please welcome Pamela Anderson. All right, section 2 running for you. Section 3 out of lane 3 in the red. From her Eras tour, please welcome Taylor Swifty Swine. Thank you so much. And running for you, section 4 out of lane 4 in the black, please welcome Kim Kardashian. All right, there you are. Okay, they're lined up and ready to go. Here comes race number 2, y'all. Here we go. Root them on. There they're going 2, 2, 2, 3 from the front. Number 3 to number 3, 4, 2, 1, 20 fast. Number 4 gives you the number 3. It's number 3 like a ladder on 2, 3. Coming around to the corner, it will be number 3. Woo. Number 3 bringing it home that time. Well, come on over here.